Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate slide masters for consistent branding in Google Slides. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Slides in your web browser. Select the presentation you want to edit or create a new one. Navigate to the top menu and click on Slide. In the drop-down menu, find and select Edit Master. The master slide view will open, showing the different slide layouts available. To create a consistent branding experience, start with the main master slide at the top. Click on the main master slide. You can now customize this slide with your branding elements. Add your logo by clicking on Insert, then Image, and selecting where to upload from. Position the logo appropriately on the slide. Adjust the size of the logo as needed. Next, choose a theme color that represents your brand. Click on the background of the master slide. In the toolbar, find and click on Background. Here, you can select a color or gradient that reflects your branding. Once you're satisfied with the background, click Done. Now, proceed to customize the text styles. Select the text boxes on the master slide. Change the font, size, and color to align with your branding guidelines. You can also adjust the text alignment and spacing as necessary. After making these adjustments, apply changes to individual slide layouts. Select a layout under the main master slide. Customize it by adding elements like headers or footers that align with your brand. Repeat this process for any other layouts you plan to use. Once you've finished customizing all elements, click on the X to exit the master slide view. Your branding changes will now reflect across all slides. To confirm your branding consistency, navigate through your slides. Review each layout to ensure everything aligns with your branding. You can make additional adjustments at any time by returning to the master slide. Now your presentation is ready, consistently reflecting your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.